makeup artist in the arts of body paint. So I fucked up on this, I fucked up on the contour here. So if you see a couple of things I fuck up at throughout this video, I actually did really good on the makeup, but I'm just saying if there are like a few things I fuck up at, then that's why. I'm not skilled in body paint. A majority of my makeup content is glam makeup, basic makeup, etc. Well, with that out of the way, enjoy this video. So before I actually started this video, I spent maybe an hour painting my whole upper body blue with 2 layers so it would look nice. And now I added this, me painting my face blue with light blue Mehron face paint, just to show you how you can do it with a brush. We'll get to that, and we'll also get to how you can blend it out. By the way, off camera, after my face paint dries, I add another layer of blue face paint, just so it looks even, because with just one layer of face paint, it looks all faded and bad. So, and also be sure to blend everything out with a beauty blender so your makeup isn't all streaky. It doesn't have streak marks from the brush. So that's why I'm using the beauty blender to blend everything out and make everything even. So with some white cream paint from Mehron, I locate where my collarbones would be if I was thin. And I try to give off the illusion that I'm thinner. So I blend that out with a sponge, obviously, and eventually I contour this area. So before anyone says anything, I am wearing medical tape under my wig and over my wig cap. So that is why there are areas on my face free of face paint. I didn't want to ruin the the tape process by getting it wet with face paint, you know, since it's water activated. But anyway, before I go on to a tangent, I'm about to point out I use a CoverGirl pressing powder in the color white, and I highly recommend using a white powder if you're doing face paint. If you use a natural tone, it's just not going to look good. It's really going to clash. With some dark blue eyeshadow, I contour my jaws, where again my tape is not covered in makeup. And I really try to intensify it. And I know this part is kind of pointless because, you know, my bangs cover this part of my forehead, but I wanted to try to contour my forehead anyway. Okay, so with that same exact dark blue eyeshadow, I'm going to contour around where I put the highlight. Yeah, it looks bad, I know. But this is to give more definition and make it look like I actually have collarbones. And to give it that sunken in look, add more contour to your chest. I'm not gonna lie, eventually I gave up on contouring my body while making this video because it just came out so bad and I didn't trust myself. But what I did really good at contouring. So next you want to take some black eyeshadow and just contour your nose into a triangle shape, drag it up to your eyebrow bone, and really blend it out. This will add more definition to your facial features, and eventually as I get deeper into the video, I think I give off the illusion that my nose is small, but I feel like there's only so much you could do with makeup. Don't forget to shade under the nose as well, again with the black eyeshadow. So to give off the illusion that I have bigger eyes, I start out putting a majority of white eyeliner from NYX under my eyes and also in my waterline. Time for the eye makeup. So I start out with that dark blue eyeshadow I use to contour the sides of my face, and I keep it mainly in my eyelid, but I also drag it a little bit up to my eyebrow bone, but not too much. I mainly focus this in my eyelid. Then with that same eyeshadow on a flat brush, I blend inwards to the areas where I added the white eyeliner. Then I take a black eyeshadow and try to very slightly add it underneath the blue. I take some CoverGirl pressing powder on a little brush to highlight my eyelids. Then with some black eyeshadow, you're going to apply it to your outer corner and blend it halfway to your eyelid. And with some Maybelline liquid eyeliner, I don't do anything special. I just make a standard line with no wing to my eye because I feel like the majority of the black eyeshadow did most of the eye look for me. With some black eyeshadow, I fill in my eyebrows and only curve in the outer corners because, in case you don't watch Corpse Bride, Emily has sad eyebrows and they're only curved at the very outer corners of the eyebrows. By the way, I lost the footage of me adding black face paint to my nostril holes. I was going to point out my nostrils are very small, so I had to do a lot to make it look good, but I could have sworn that I added footage of me adding that detail. So the lips are very simple. I just take a really light pink lipstick from Ulta Beauty and apply that to my lips. I lost all my fake lashes, but I'm still preparing my top lashes anyway. Just coat them with mascara, because again, I don't have any eyelashes for my top lashes, and I'm saying lashes a lot, but I do have bottom lashes that I am going to use. I got my bottom eyelashes on Amazon. They're in this pink box. And apply the eyelashes and stick it to your fake waterline. With black eyeshadow, I decided to intensify the contour. Take some black face paint and add a little hole in your face, because she also has a hole in her face. Then take a thin brush and sketch out a crack on the corner of the forehead. After I let the black face paint dry, I took some white cream paint and added teeth. And finally, take a black eyeshadow and smudge the crack.